Welcome back to the English class, students. We were dealing with the poem titled The Laburnum Top, written by Ted Hughes. In this module, we are going to discuss the themes and literary devices. Let us first look into the literary devices used in this poem. The first one is alliteration. I hope you are all familiar with the term alliteration. It is the repetition of a consonant sound at the beginning of two or more consecutive words. Can you spot the lines in the poem where this literary device has been used? Yes, the examples would include September sunlight and tree trembles. In the first example, the consonant S is repeated, and in the second example, the consonant T is repeated. I hope it's clear. The second literary device that we can find in this poem is simile. As you all know, it is the comparison between two things using like or as. Sleek as a lizard is an example from this poem, wherein the bird is compared to a lizard. Now, moving into the third literary device used in this poem, it is metaphor. Metaphor, it is an indirect comparison between two things. Can you try to find out the examples from the poem? Did you notice the lines, "It is the engine of her family," and showing her barred face identity mask? In these lines, the bird is compared to an engine and the bird is said to have a barred face, which refers to the black stripes in its face. The bird is indirectly compared to the engine. Also, her face is said to be barred, which refers to the black stripes in its face. Moving on to the next literary device, it is personification. This literary device is used to attribute human qualities or characteristics to inanimate or non-human things. So, can you find out an example from this poem? Yes, that would be the whole tree trembles and thrills. The tree, usually it does not tremble like a human being, but here the tree is said to be trembling and it feels thrilled with the arrival of the bird. Hence, the literary device personification is used in this poem. Now, we have gone through all the major literary devices in the poem. Now, can you think of the major theme or the central idea of the poem? Yes, the first one obviously would be the power of love. The poet is talking about the sweet and nurturing relationship between the tree and the bird. Also, the love and care that the bird and the nestlings share. The second theme would definitely be the hardships in life. We can get three examples from this poem regarding the same. In the case of the tree, we can find that the tree is in a death-like silence in the beginning. As the tree bears poisonous fruits, nobody is approaching it often. But the tree is happy when the goldfinch arrives. Now, taking the case of the goldfinch, it has to go far away in search of food and cannot stay there forever, as it has to continue search for food. Again, if we look at the condition of the young birds, they have to feel or experience the pain of separation. They cannot live with their mother for a long time. They don't have any other choice than waiting for their mother. So, in various ways, the tree, the goldfinch, and the young birds are facing pain. I think it's clear for all of you. So that's all about the themes and literary devices, students. In the next module, we shall discuss the important questions from this chapter. Thank you.